students, we are going to discuss about dryer. What is drying? This operation is carried out in the chemical industry for the removal of moisture associated with wet solid with the help of hot air. When the hot air is circulated over the wet solid, the moisture from the solid evaporates and gets added in the air. It is generally last unit operation carried out in the industry. Types of dryer: tray dryer, roti dryer, spray dryer, etc. Figure shows that laboratory scale tray dryer. Another name of tray dryer, air dryer. Working principle of tray dryer. Tray dryer, hot air is continuously circulated. Forced convection, heating takes place to remove moisture from the solid placed in trays. Simultaneously, the moist air is removed partially. Wet solid is loaded into the trays. Trays are placed in the chamber. Fresh air is introduced through inlet, which passes through the heater and gets heated up. The hot air is circulated by means of external device like blower or fans at 2 to 5 meter per second. The turbulent flow lower the partial vapor pressure in the atmosphere and also reduces the thickness of the air boundary layer. The water is picked up by the air. The water evaporates from the surface. The water diffuses from the interior of the solid by the capillary action. These events occur in a single pass of air. Time contact is short and the amount of water picked up in a single pass is small. Therefore, the discharged air to the tune of 80 to 90% is circulated back through the fans or blowers. Only 10 to 20% of fresh air is introduced. Moist air is discharged through outlet. Constant temperature and uniform airflow over the material can be maintained for achieving uniform drying. In the case of wet granules, as in tablet and capsule, drying is continued until the desired moisture content is obtained. At the end of the drying, trays or trucks are pulled out of the chamber and taken to a tray dumping station. So this is the working principle of air dryer or tray dryer. Next one, advantages and limitation of tray dryer. First one, advantages. Advantages of tray dryer: easy to cleaning, low space requirement, low maintenance. Limitation of tray dryer: long during cycle, nearly 5 to 45 hours per batch. second one, expensive to operate due to high labor requirement for loading and unloading. These are the disadvantages of tray dryer. So what are the applications of tray dryer? Tray dryers are ideally suitable for drying chilies, spices, potato chips, onion, fish, garlic, etc. It is also used for drying pharmaceutical, chemical, powders, granules, plastic granules, etc. Heating is either by electric or steam or both combined. So various models are listed in the leaflet to suit the process. Okay.